Mega Park, and look what I just found. What's up, vloggers? We're in Almaty, and I keep forgetting to make videos. I think this is my second one.
What's up, guys?
It's hot as F over here. It's like,
feels like Texas.
I think it's like 90 degrees Fahrenheit. New drip, and I'm complaining about the heat, but I'm wearing a wool hat in the 90-degree weather, so there's that. But we leave on the bus today at 8 p.m. and we've just been walking around different malls pretty much all day.
Yeah.
We went to the bazaar, and we got some wedding clothes for our upcoming wedding. Not our wedding, but our friend's wedding. Very exciting news. So there's the update. I'll update you when we get on the bus. Peace out. We pedaling. Якісь же золото, якісь же жит, якісь же зегас, якісь же сос, якісь же вон, якісь же золото. А there's more. Жах. Зима бар, зима есть, зима атта, зима жетті. Келдік. That was a long freaking walk, but we made it. Going back down, and it's way easier this time.
Yippee!
Bye, Kulsai. It was lovely. Also, we just ate at Tata, but I didn't take any pictures. Because I forgot, again, story of my life. Sabol and stuff. About the river.
I like it.
A little smaller than the other one, but I like the air shapes. We're in the Mini Grand Canyon, otherwise known as the Canyon. Feels nice out. A lot of big rocks. Good vibes.
Good vibes.
We have arrived back in Almaty. We are going to eat because we are quite hungry. Tell them, Mama.
So true.
So true.